And next time is now. Welcome to Surprisingly Geeky.
Hi.
I'm on debit. This is LunarDawn.
Hi.
And thanks for tuning in to see us play more Ratchet and Clank.
We like playing.
So,
there we go. Alright, we got everybody. Alright, let's not fall into the pit of what I can only assume is goat vomit. I can safely assume that, right?
yeah.
I mean, just look at it. It just screams goat. We could harvest it. We could make soap.
Soap?
Yeah, I almost said soap.
I mean, we could probably make soup.
Billy, I just have to sacrifice all of them to collect more. Attack. No! He's like, I'm gonna go over the fuck this way. Whoops. Whoops! Whoops!
Careful of the frogs.
Attack this one. No, this one. Better.
I
Alright.
feel like the difficult part of this level is when you start playing with Ratchet.
I think so too. Yeah, I'm certainly not feeling much challenge at the moment. Oh, I have to swivel my camera a lot.
Which is annoying because it's really slow. The camera is super slow in this game.
Totally.
Like, it was like the first thing I noticed.
Like, alright, you guys. Go for it. Are they all alive?
One of them must have died. They're not that competent. Or are they?
There's so many of them.
Oh wow.
How many have I got? 1, 2,
You have a
1,
nice
2,
little
3,
army.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I blow them all up. Hey, motherfucker!
Now all I want is a game where you play exactly this. Clank with like a bunch of little guys, but you play it like Pikmin style,
Oh yeah?
where you just like throw them.
Oh my. Alright. Info bot. This is how we play the game for info bot.
It's another series that I'd like to play.
Info bot?
Yeah. It's this great series about robots who have information. But now, the Pikmin series. Pikmin 1, 2, and 3. I'd really love to play those. And
We only have Pikmin 2, I think, yeah?
yeah. I plan on getting Pikmin 3 for the Wii U. The first one might be hard to come by. I can
Trying to control the info bot.
Better not let
Sorry, I didn't mean to kick you. In the bum. Alright. I went in a circle. And now I'm going back.
So now we're gonna go to Tropical Island place and get the CO2 mask.
No, because I have the boots now. See, those things.
Hey! You giving me these or not? They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
That is a bitchy thing to say. I'm looking at gift horse in the mouth.
Well,
You
they're not.
giving them to me or not?
Well, they're not really friends right now.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Filing.
if somebody was giving me something, I wouldn't say that, even if I didn't like them.
What is it?
I didn't
I
see
will show
mine.
you this,
I
but you must
know.
to stay focused on
Okay,
our
but
mission.
not only are they not friends, like they actively don't like each other.
Well, no, I think Clank probably likes to just fine.
Can you see that?
What?
He's kind of like his arms crossed, and he's all like looking at him from behind.
That doesn't mean he doesn't like him. He's defensive because Ratchet's saying, hey, you're a dick. That's right, you're a dick.
But is it?
A dick.
But is it?
A dick.
So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
That comb over is awesome.
Well,
Especially since I don't even think any of the other like creatures like that have hair at all. So it's like he literally put on a wig that was a comb over.
besides seeing Skid a few more times, though, I don't get to see any of these types of characters again.
Well, the janitor guy is like one.
Oh, okay, well,
Kind
minus
of.
the janitor, I guess. But we see the janitor a lot more than we see...
Anybody else?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get us some water.
Oh, water sounds nice. Water is good for you. Hydrate your body. Replenish things. You can keep fish in it.
Yeah, that's your thing.
If that's your thing. But you shouldn't drink it if fish is in there. Oh, hey, I've got 2 guns available.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright. Ta-da!
Get my throat all moistened up.
Moist. Moist.
Damp,
Moist.
damp, damp, damp.
Memory. I'll leave it off.
That's comedy, folks.
So good at it. I'm so good, nobody even questions. That's good. That's all you get.
Seriously, have you seen any of these like noticeable things in any other level?
Yeah, I've seen some of them in the beginning levels. Alright, buddy, get the tank. Good for you.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, little Thanos.
Can you imagine if you had Clank with his little guy, and this guy, and your little bomb buddies? That'd be awesome.
And Mr. Zircon.
And Mr. Zircon, of course.
Yeah.
I feel like you do more damage with them if you're actually up close.
That is a slow gun. You're just wheels. I have to do? Yeah, I guess. I do what I have to do. Up, 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 up. If we play the other game tonight, we're gonna have to switch all the cables.
That's true. I don't think it's as big of a hassle as I thought it was, though. The more I think about it.
Whoa, I just put on my shoes. I walked on, my shoes turned on. That's beautiful.
I don't know. This is floating.
Oh. Honestly, I didn't think I could do that. Like, it won't let you jump off the thing. Holly foiled by platforms. I thought we play.
We have the best video games.
The best, eh? No!
Seriously!
I swear I'm
walk.
crying.
All you have to do is walk.
Oh, but it takes
You have
so
one
long.
job. Walk across the platform.
I have all the jobs. I'm playing the game. Yeah, take that. Shut.
I cannot deny that you do play the game.
I play all the games. I play more games than you do. No!
It doesn't show.
Such a dick! Such a dick.
That is another episode of Surprisingly Geeky.
Yeah, you can join me and Penis here on the next episode.
And